Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to an early edition of Dollar Tree DIY. So I wanted to do this early because I showed some of you of this in my haul yesterday, but I wanted to show you how I put together this Mother's Day basket. It's not a traditional basket by any means, but I just thought it would be so cute since it was gardening. So the first thing that we're going to do is I have this Florafoam. Let me show you what I'm using. Of course, I'm using this. I'm going to be using this knee mat. We're going to put some gloves in there. We're using some flowers, the trowel, the little hand rake. I have some ribbon and some reindeer moss. And of course, some of the stuff that's going in the basket itself. The flower seeds and things like that. And I had some shears that are going to be going in here too. So let me get all this straightened out and we'll get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is take Florafoam and put it in here like this. And I'm just going to put just a tiny bit of hot glue on the bottom of it, just in one little line, and stick it down the bottom so it'll stay. Now this will be easily removed. Because I'm sure they'd want to use it for, you know, flowers or something. So then the next thing I'm going to do is put some reindeer moss in here. Now, I know usually we put basket filler when we make baskets, but I wanted something to look completely different. And I think this will look completely different when I'm through with it. And so, I'm just going to push this down on the sides to fill in the sides because I have plenty of reindeer moss. Okay, and that's going to hold all that in there. Then the next thing we're going to do, we're going to take our tallest items and we're going to place them in there first. So I'm going to take the trowel because it is really tall. And I'm going to stick it through the Florafoam just like that. And then the rake, I really haven't decided how to do this yet, but I think I'm going to stick it behind there like that so that it's nice and secure in there. And that's why I put the foam in here. It's going to help everything stay balanced out. And then for the gloves, I'm going to roll them up and I'm going to stick them on top. So we're not going to put that in there yet. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is to put some more floor moss on top. I just wanted to get my largest items in first. And I wanted to see how much room I was going to need. So I have those things in first. Now this isn't traveling anywhere. It's not going to be mailed. If it were being mailed, I would glue all this down. But since it's not being mailed, I am not going to glue it down. And then I'm going to take some of the wildflowers and stick it right here in the middle. And then I'm going to take these shears, because these are very sharp. Whoops. I'm going to kind of stick them in there like that. Oh, I forgot the lotion. You know, as with any gardener, you need good lotion for your hands. Let me take this out. I'm going to stick this back here like this. And then I'm going to stick the gardening tools in the back like that, and that's going to secure that for me. Okay, and then let me see what we got so far. I'll show it to you when it's all done. And then we're going to roll the gloves up like this and stick them in back here like that. And then we're going to take the flower pack seeds, and I have 4 of those. And we're going to stick them I want to be able to see everything. So we're going to stick them right there. Now, with the flowers, we're going to cut them apart and stick them in the basket. So it looks like almost an arrangement. Ooh, forgot to bring my, there we go. And because of the floor foam we have in there, they'll stay in there. All right. There we go. So I wanted to find a way to make a basket a little bit different, just because, you know, everybody sticks things in a gift basket, and this person wanted me to make a gardening basket for their mom. And so I told her I would. But she asked me to put a different little flair on it if I could. And so find that little hole in there. There we go. Now, if you notice, I'm leaving a little space back behind here, and I'm going to show you why in just a minute. So I'm just putting a couple more flowers in here in the front. Take this out for a second so I can find that floor foam. Okay, so now we're going to take the plastic off our little board, our knee board. And I thought about ways that I could attach this and still make it look good, but, you know, not glue it, because I really didn't want to glue this. I didn't want to put hot glue on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit my basket on here and measure where I kind of want it to be. And then I'm going to take my ribbon, if I can get it open. There it is. Oh, I thought it was. Okay, life is too short to mess with trying to open up a package of ribbon. All right. So what I'm going to do, slide all this out of the way, I'm going to slide this up under the knee pad. Let's see how long I need. And bring this up over top, like so. Get this evened out. I hope you can sort of see what I'm doing. You know, I just really don't have a good angle for this. All right. And then I'm going to tie this. Tuck it behind the flowers. To the basket. To the little container, I mean. Sorry, I don't mean to get my head in there. If I did, I just got to see what I'm doing here. There we go. So that's that. And when I put it in a plastic bag, you won't be able to see it at all. But I thought maybe I'd leave the ribbons hanging down. I wasn't sure yet. But I'm going to stick those back in there. Like that. Fix my gloves a little bit. Put my things right there. And I think I got room for one more flower over here. There we go. And then this is what we have. Let me put this up a little bit so you can see. So this is our basket. And it's all on there. Everything's tied. I got to make this a little bit tighter probably. But that's the idea of what I want to do with it. And so I just think that makes a nice little presentation. And I'm real happy with that. And it did not take that long to do. And it looks different than just a plain gift basket. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. That really helps me. Lets me know what you like and what you don't like on my channel. And if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join our little happy family here at Crafts and More with Donna Jackson. All right, thanks so much for watching. And I will see you all again on next Tuesday for a Dollar Tree DIY. Remember, I only do hauls every other week, and then in between I do DIYs. But since Mother's Day was coming up quickly, I decided to go ahead and show you this idea I had instead of waiting till later. All right, have a good day, and I will see you all soon. Bye.